Imagine standing on each planet in our solar system, watching the skies slowly change from dawn to dusk. Our journey today will take us across worlds of incredibly different day lengths, each one shaped by the mysterious forces of gravity, collisions, and the delicate balancing act of orbit. Get your spacesuit on and explore the journey. The duration of a day on each planet in our solar system varies greatly due to differences in rotation speed. This varies due to factors like the planet's size, mass distribution, rotation history, and the influence of gravitational interactions. First, we stop at Mercury, the Sun's closest neighbor, spinning slowly under intense sunlight. Here, a single day stretches nearly 1,408 hours, which equals 58 Earth days. Mercury spins slowly because it's so close to the Sun that its rotation has been locked by gravity. This effect, called tidal locking, also called tidal force, makes Mercury spin only 3 times for every 2 orbits it completes around Sun. It's almost like Mercury is trapped in a cosmic embrace with the Sun, making for some of the longest days you could ever experience. Now jump over to Venus, where things get even stranger. A day here lasts 5,832 hours, that's 243 Earth days. And something special about it that Venus spins backward, meaning the Sun would rise in the west and set in the east, slowly inching across the sky. This unique rotation likely came from a large collision that knocked Venus into a backward spin, forever altering the rhythm of its days, making the day last longer like a year. Our journey brings us back to Earth, where a 24-hour day feels regular and reassuring. But Earth's day wasn't always this length. Millions of years ago, Earth spun faster, with days as short as 18 hours. Over time, the gravitational pull of our moon has been slowing our rotation, stretching the day out little by little. It's an invisible force, but one that continues even now. After some millions of years from now, Earth's day might stretch even further. Next, we arrive on Mars, where the day is almost exactly like Earth's, about 24.6 hours. On Mars, you'd barely notice the difference in day length. This planet, with its deserts and canyons, has a rhythm that closely matches Earth's, likely due to its similar composition and formation history. But Mars has no large moon like Earth, so its rotation has remained steady, unaltered over billions of years. Now, let's head to the giants. On Jupiter, things get fast. Here, a day whizzes by in just 9.9 hours. This massive planet, made mostly of gas, spins so quickly that day and night switch in what feels like the blink of an eye. Jupiter's rotation is one of the fastest in the solar system, the result of its massive size and fluid nature. The rotation pulls the planet into a slightly squashed shape, flattening at the poles and bulging at the equator. On Saturn, the pace slows only a little, with a day lasting about 10.7 hours. Like Jupiter, Saturn's gaseous layers let it rotate quickly, but it's slightly less rapid due to its distance from the Sun. Its majestic rings, hundreds of thousands of miles wide, would look like a beautiful band in the sky. Saturn's day, though short, is part of its beauty, as its fast spin keeps its clouds in motion, creating bands and storms across its golden surface. Now we reach Uranus, a world unlike any other. Uranus spins on its side, with an axis tilted almost 98 degrees. Here, the day lasts 17.2 hours, but because of the tilt, the Sun wouldn't rise or set in the usual way. Instead, during parts of its year, one hemisphere points toward the Sun, bathing it in constant light, while the other lies in darkness. Scientists think this extreme tilt came from a powerful collision billions of years ago, knocking Uranus onto its side and giving it a strange, rolling rotation. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Here, a day is just 16 hours long, spinning quickly like Jupiter and Saturn. But because Neptune is so far away, it feels calm and quiet, with its deep blue color and icy clouds. Out here, Neptune spins steadily, peacefully, far from the busy pulls and tugs of the inner solar system. It's like Neptune has its own calm, quiet spot in the vast darkness of space. Each planet has its own amazing story, with days that spin fast or stretch forever. From Mercury's super long days to Neptune's calm, blue skies, our solar system is full of wonders. Don't miss out. Subscribe to join us for more fun space adventures and discover what's out there.